Welcome, sweet enthusiasts, to another delightful journey with Discover Agriculture. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of jaggery making. This traditional delicacy holds not only the essence of sweetness, but also a rich history and meticulous craftsmanship. Join us as we uncover the step-by-step process behind transforming humble sugarcane into the golden delight known as jaggery. Our journey begins in the lush sugarcane fields, where skilled farmers carefully select ripe sugarcane stalks for harvesting. This crucial step ensures that only the finest quality sugarcane is chosen, laying the foundation for delectable jaggery. Once harvested, the sugarcane undergoes a meticulous process of extraction. Using traditional methods or modern machinery, the stalks are crushed to extract their sweet, succulent juice. This aromatic liquid forms the heart of jaggery, brimming with natural goodness and flavor. Next, the extracted sugarcane juice undergoes a clarifying process to remove any impurities. Through boiling and skimming, skilled artisans meticulously purify the juice, ensuring a clean and smooth consistency essential for premium quality jaggery. The clarified sugarcane juice is then transferred to large, shallow pans where it undergoes the transformative process of boiling and evaporation. Slowly simmered over open flames, the juice gradually thickens, concentrating its natural sugars and flavors. As the sugarcane juice continues to boil, it reaches a critical point where sugar crystals begin to form. This magical moment, achieved through precise temperature control and expert timing, is where the essence of jaggery truly emerges, encapsulating the essence of sweetness. Once the desired consistency is achieved, the molten jaggery is carefully poured into molds, where it cools and solidifies into its distinctive golden hue. Each mold captures the unique character of the jaggery, reflecting the skill and artistry of the craftsman behind its creation. And that's how jaggery goes from sugarcane to sweet treat. Skilled artisans use ancient methods to make this tasty delight. So, when you enjoy jaggery, think about the love and hard work behind it. Keep watching Discover Agriculture for more yummy adventures.